All right, we're going to connect the Samsung S20 to the Subaru 2020 Forester. First thing we're going to do is go into settings and come down here, change the Bluetooth name, call it BT. Okay, now we're back here. You can hit home, by the way, to get here and hit settings. I'm going to go to phone. Okay, we're going to hit add device, and we already see the BT name here. Settings. Okay, hit confirm, hit pair. Download contacts. Allow. Allow. And if we come over here and click on this gear, you can see it allows calls, audio contact, message access. We'll see if she wants that messaging pop up on here. So I just sent her a message. Pops up on here.
Yo.
I texted her, yo. We'll see if she likes that. All right, come home, hit phone. We can see the phone book. We can see the messages. And we can see the phone book too.